congruent triangles. And again, if you don't remember, the big rule is that we can only skip one thing we don't know. We have a triangle consists of three things. I'm sorry, a triangle consists of three angles and three sides. And we only need three to confirm their congruence. Congruent means the same. So let's go back to the next one. We're doing this one currently. We know one angle. Let's use a different color. We know an angle, we know a side, and we know another angle. Well, here's the thing. There's a reason we have to call it. There's a reason we have to call it AAS. Because look, if we try to go this way, notice there's a side here we don't know for both. And there's an angle we don't know for both. Well, guys, remember, we can only skip one thing we don't know. So going this way is not going to cut it. We have to go this way. Check this out. We know an angle. We don't know this for either one, but it's okay because we're only skipping one thing. We know an angle and we know a side. So because of that, this is why it's called the AAS rule, because you can only skip one thing at a time. All right. And for the last one, the most confusing one is called the SSA. And we call it SSA for obvious reasons. You know, teenagers out there like to make fun of things. And if we call it something else, it would have been a little hysterical, a little distraction. So every teacher will tell you it's called SSA for obvious reasons. So with that in mind, let me tell you why it's called that way. Well, let's see. If we wanted to go this way, if we wanted to go this way to the right, could we call it angle and then something we don't know, something we don't know? Nope, we cannot go that way. So how about we call it, what if we go this way? From this side, we go that way. Side, something we don't know, side, and angle. Side, side, angle. Therefore, again, we don't want to go this way because it's going to spell something we don't like. So every teacher is going to tell you this is called SSA no matter what. So that's the reason behind the last one. Now, here's the thing. There's a reason why this is very confusing because sometimes it doesn't work.